In today's video, I will walk you through how to revoke Telegram invite links. Shared a Telegram invite link somewhere you shouldn't have, or want to cut off access from an old campaign? Revoking your Telegram invite links instantly blocks anyone new from using them. Whether you need to kill a single custom link or reset your primary access point, let's walk through how to do it in just a few taps.
First, open Telegram and navigate to your channel. Tap on the channel name or profile picture at the top to open the profile details. Next, tap the pencil edit icon near the top right. From this settings menu, tap on Invite Links. This will display your main primary link, along with any additional custom or secondary invite links you've created. Scroll down to find the specific link you want to remove. Tap the 3 vertical dots next to it, then select Revoke. A confirmation prompt will pop up, letting you know that the link will immediately stop working. Tap Revoke again to confirm. Remember that if you revoke your primary link, Telegram will automatically generate a fresh default link for you.
Once revoked, the link moves down into a Revoked Links section. You can tap Delete all revoked links if you want to clear them out of your history entirely. Anyone who tries to use an old revoked link from that point on will simply hit an error page and won't be able to get in. It's a good idea to review your active invite links regularly, especially if you manage a large community or have shared links across multiple websites or platforms.
And that's all there is to it. That's how to revoke Telegram invite links.